Sup guys, I'm trying another audio test, so we might as well have a bit of fun with it. Okay, so this is Ultimate Epic Battle Simulator, in case you didn't know, so we're going to have some fun. The Spartans in this game are ridiculously powerful. They've beaten almost everything except guns. Yeah, what a big surprise there. So we're gonna have some of these guys fight some other guys. Let's just throw them in right here. Let's narrow them out so they can actually fit, otherwise they'll get stuck in the buildings. You know these games. Narrower. Narrower. Yes. Oh dear, I didn't want to do that crap. Spartans, the guys who run around in Speedos. Oh well, it's better than in real life when they run around naked. You gotta admit, 300 was awesome. Okay, so who shall we have them fight? We shall make them fight an army of Romans. Though even this might not be enough to kill them all. Because those damn Spartans are ridiculously overpowered with their spears and crap. Hopefully this game makes my computer blow its fan really super hard, so hopefully this doesn't cause my computer to melt when it's recording. Okay, let's see. For the other team, we're going to have Persians. Because all the ancient Greeks hated the Persians, so why the hell not? Though at this point, the Persians are on the side, are working with the Romans. Yeah, the Romans decided to give them underpants, and they really liked that idea, so they're working with them. So will the Spartans be able to conquer them? Let's find out. Taking a bit longer to load than usual. It's been a while since I last played this game. Hopefully you can hear this. I finally found some forums that were talking about low microphone volume and crap like that. So I'm really hoping that's fixed, because I want to start doing some live streams for October. I just bought a bunch of horror games. Ah, look at that beautiful landscape that's about to get soaked in blood. Okay, so here are the wild men. Oh wait, these are the Persians. What the hell am I thinking of? If we hold shift, we can move faster. Here are the Spartans occupying this city they stole from the medieval people. Is this medieval? That certainly looks Greekish over there, but if you look up there, there's a castle up there, and that's certainly medieval. I didn't know medieval people had marble yet, though. What the hell is this? Oh, the medieval people. Whenever I think medieval, I think of people dying because they're exposed to too much of their own shit. Oh, no matter. Let's go over here and make sure the Romans spawned in. Yes, and let us begin. And here they come, with their big-ass shields. I remember reading a book one time about weapons, and there was this guy who wore a breastplate of armor, carried one of them big shields, and had nothing else. He was completely bottomless. What is it with ancient people fighting naked? So anyway, here they go to fight. We'll check on the Persians in a minute. And as you can see, the Spartans, whenever they thrust, they knock them back, so that's probably why they're so good in melee combat. And the Spartans have already killed 40 people and only suffered 1 casualty. 2 casualties. Well, at least they're not in Speedos. They're in slightly boy toy shorts or whatever the hell they call them. Can you even see? Under the Roman skirts, are they wearing anything under there? I probably shouldn't be asking. Oh, we can find out here. Oh my god! There's nothing under there. He's a hollow man. Ah, demons! Okay, let's go see what the Persians are up to. Oh dear, the Persians are completely effed up. Now these Spartans are probably going to go reinforce their brothers, which isn't good for the Romans. Bloody hell, they're still kicking ass even after all that. Who knew that running around in very little attire with a spear would get you so far? Of course, when you pit 300 Spartans against a lower number of British redcoats, the outcome is significantly different, because the redcoats have access to firearms. Yeah, you'd be surprised how much difference that makes. Ooh, they're starting to get enclosed. Will they survive long enough for reinforcements to arrive? And it looks like they are. I like all these guys on the outside saying, "Oh, when's it my turn? I want to stab some Spartans." Well, just be patient. You'll get your chance. You guys could encircle them, you know, instead of just pushing your way to the front. Oh boy, here come the reinforcements. Bloody hell. We could possess one of them, but the controls for this game for when you possess somewhere is really weird. I've still not entirely grasped it, I don't think. Oh yeah, the Romans are probably screwed now. This place is gonna stink like hell for the next month. Or years, probably. Until they are able to burn all the bodies. Or eat them. Probably the latter. This is the Dark Ages, after all. Pre-Dark Ages, actually. Let's see what else is going on. Not much. Yep, all the Spartans are over here now. I like how they keep getting thrown back to saying, "I'm gonna kill you, you damn it!" As you can see, the Romans are already getting... The Spartans have killed 1,000 of them before 100 of them were lost. That's how over OP they are. I could probably put like 10,000 Romans here and they would still win. Or would they? I should try that out. But not now. We're just doing an audio test. Oh boy. Whoever makes these capes must be fricking rich if every single Spartan soldier wears them. Yep, and the Romans are getting cut down. Gutted like pigs. Steel versus bronze, and somehow bronze won. Because of their crazed educational system where they do crazy stuff to them as kids. Oh, and they're all dead. There goes the last one. And they lost exactly 100 Spartans. Oh, I was trying to use my wind god power. I don't think it worked. What the frick? Oh, it's because the game's over. So yeah, the Spartans are OP. Definitely call the moderators on them. So anyway, hopefully you can hear the game audio now. Although I'm not sure if you can hear my voice, so I'll see you guys again some other time.